Hi guys, installing a trailer hitch on your Ford Bronco can take you to some really fun places such as camping and biking. You can even tow it in a U-Haul trailer to almost anywhere in North America. Now let's break down that install for you. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Alright, our next step is going to be raising our hitch up into place. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. We'll be lining up the hitch holes with the existing holes on the vehicle's bumper beam. Our next step is going to be installing our provided hardware. We're going to have our 1/2-inch bolt, our flat washer, and our flange nut. Next, we're going to feed our provided bolts through the holes on the hitch with our flat washer on them, and we're going to push it through all the way and then secure it down with the flange nut on the other side. Our next step is going to be torquing all the bolts to the manufacturer specifications using a 3/4 inch socket and a 3/4 inch wrench. With the hitch installed in the vehicle pulled onto level ground, we would like to show you some key measurements. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the tire is going to be 12 inches. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is going to be 2.5 inches. And from the ground to the top of the receiver is going to be 19 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.